Ginger relaxing. And there's her buddy, Pepper. The two observers. Then you got a Kai chilling out on her bed. Pepper. And Ginger. Good girl, Ginger. You're looking against the wall. Good girl. Hey, Kai. Off. Relax. Don't let that get too rough. Yeah. Anytime all you got to do, you got to squirt Christian with the hose or the water bottle, and that'll calm him right down. See, I don't want this play. You're letting this get too rough. If that ratchets up another level or two, you're not going to be able to break it up, and then you got to fight.
It's just kind of a.
That's why you should have a water bottle in your hand, because the water bottle will work. That's why when you take your room and you know who your troublemakers are or who your high energy dogs are, and you know something that works on a particular dog, all you got to do is deal with that one dog, and you're going to get your room under control immediately. See, Max just annoys everyone with the barking in the ear, but Christian gets the room and incites a riot.
So
He just wants to play.
But he doesn't know how to play.
He just plays a little rough.
He's a hit and run, isn't he?
No, he's not a cheap shot. He just likes to play rough. And these two play really good together. And that's why you learn the dynamics of what dogs do. Like JJ and Malta play really good together. And you'll watch, once Christian gets involved, you good girl. Right, you are?